French-style apple tart. This recipe uses 200 grams of plain flour. I used wholemeal, but white makes a finer product. 125 grams of fat, 50 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 2 to 3 cooking apples, weigh them if you can, 2 to 3 eating apples, and some apricot jam. For every 400 grams of cooking apple, you will need 50 grams of sugar and 10 grams of butter, preferably unsalted. Let's start by making the pastry. Put the fat, salt and flour in a mixer and rub in until it reaches breadcrumb stage. Add the egg. When it comes together, wrap it in cling film and rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, roll out the dough about 1 centimetre thick. Keep it roughly circular. Grease a tart tin. Line the tart tin with the pastry, pushing the dough into all parts of the tin. Roll a rolling pin across the top of the tin. Gently push the dough from the centre out so that it is even but slightly raised above the edge of the tin. Cover with cling film and rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, prick the pastry all over with a fork, line the tart tin with baking powder and fill with baking beans. Blind bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit and gas 6 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check after 20, it should be partly browned and mostly cooked. If you think you need more, give it longer. It very much depends on the strength of your oven. Leave to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes and then completely cool on a cooling rack. Peel, core and chop cooking apples. Put them in a pan with butter and sugar and a little water. Cook until the apples are soft, similar to applesauce. Put the apple sauce evenly into the tart case. Core and slice the eating apples, leaving the skin on. Place in a circular pattern on top of the tart. Heat the apricot jam and glaze the cooking apples. Place back in the oven for 10 minutes. Leave to cool, serve a slice and enjoy.